Oh, hey Mia. I was just looking for something. I heard that when you look at the stars, you're actually looking back in time. So I figured maybe I'd spot like a dinosaur or George Washington or something. But nope, just stars. Well, if we're not seeing Earth's past up there, then what are we seeing? What's really out there beyond the solar system? By the end of today's lesson, you'll be able to explain what a galaxy is and describe where our solar system fits in the universe. Let's investigate. Have you ever looked up at the sky on a clear night? What did you see? You probably saw twinkling dots of light. Some look brighter than others. Some appear to form patterns and constellations. But most of those tiny lights you see, they're stars, just like our sun. The sun is the center of our solar system. Everything we've learned about, planets, moons, asteroids, revolves around it. But the sun is just one star. When we look at the night sky, we can see that there are so many more. Some of those stars even have their own solar systems, with planets and moons orbiting around them just like ours. There's so much more than just our solar system out there. And guess what? If you go somewhere that's really dark, far away from city lights, you can actually see a small piece of an even bigger system we're a part of. See that white streak down the center of the sky like somebody spilled a glass of milk? That's the Milky Way, our galaxy. A galaxy is a huge group of stars, dust, and gas all held together by gravity. When I say huge, I mean huge. Imagine our solar system is just one tiny grain of sand. Our galaxy? It would be the whole beach. Our solar system is in the Milky Way galaxy. It looks kind of like a pinwheel with lines of stars spiraling out from the center. When we see the Milky Way from Earth, we're not seeing the whole galaxy. What we're looking at is just a tiny part of one of the spiral arms, the part we live in. See that little dot? That's us! Hello down there! But wait. If our solar system is that dot inside the Milky Way, how do we know what our galaxy looks like from the outside? Humans have never left our solar system. In fact, the farthest any astronaut has traveled away from Earth so far is just to the far side of the moon. And the Milky Way? It's so big, it would take thousands of years to travel outside of it. Since we don't have a selfie stick long enough to snap a photo of the whole galaxy, scientists do something clever. They use tools to look deep into space. Powerful space telescopes are sent far beyond Earth's surface into the solar system, where there's no air, clouds, or city lights to get in the way. That gives them a super clear view of distant stars. Using these telescopes, scientists discovered that the Milky Way isn't the only galaxy out there. Not even close. How many other galaxies do you think are out there? There aren't just a few galaxies or a few thousand. There are trillions of other galaxies. That number is so big, it's hard for people to even imagine it. To give you an idea, though, 1 trillion seconds is nearly 32,000 years. All of those galaxies give us a lot of information. By studying other galaxies and the way stars move in our sky, we're able to learn a lot about the Milky Way, even though we've never seen it from the outside. Because of its shape, the Milky Way is a spiral galaxy, and it's not the only one. Our closest galactic neighbor, Andromeda, is also a spiral galaxy. Spiral galaxies have a bright center with swirls of stars coming out from the middle. Older stars are found near the middle, and the stars that formed more recently are closer to the outside. But not every galaxy is a spiral. Some galaxies are shaped more like an egg. These are called elliptical galaxies. Elliptical galaxies are usually made up of stars clumped together near one central point, which makes the middle of the galaxy look like one big, bright star. There are also galaxies that don't have any clear shape at all. These are called irregular galaxies. They can look kind of bumpy or lopsided. Some irregular galaxies might have started out as spirals or ellipticals, but got knocked out of shape by a collision with another galaxy. All of these galaxies, along with all the stars, planets, rocks, and space in between them, make up our universe. And the universe is huge. Our planet is part of just one solar system in one galaxy. But remember, there are trillions of other galaxies out there, spread far across the universe. Some of the stars we see at night are so far away that when we look at them, we're not actually seeing what they look like right now. Light takes time to travel from one place to another. Other galaxies are so far away that their light can take millions of years to reach us on Earth. So when we look at the stars, it might seem like we're just looking at twinkling lights, but we're actually peeking into the past, catching a glimpse of what those stars looked like long, long ago. Let's review everything we've learned today. Our solar system is just one small part of the Milky Way galaxy. A galaxy is a huge group of stars, gas, and dust held together by gravity. The universe has trillions of different galaxies. To learn more about what's beyond the solar system, be sure to check out the activities and practice questions that go with this lesson. There's still so much more to learn about the universe. New galaxies, new stars, even new solar systems are waiting to be discovered. Looking at the stars may be like looking into the past, but studying the stars? That's how we look into the future. Who knows what we'll discover next? I don't know about you, but Mia and I have had so much fun learning with you scientists. So remember to keep exploring. There's always more to discover beneath the surface. See you next time. Hey, hey.